Hey friends, if you wish to find temporary files on Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. Press the Windows key and the R key together to open the run window. Type the command temp and hit enter. Now you'll need permissions to access the temporary folder. You'll find all the temporary files here. Okay, and then you can also press this and type %temp percentage and hit enter, and you will find another set of files here. Now here's the thing, usually you do not need to access temporary files because they are supposed to be accessed by the folder to that application for which they are created. But yes, in some cases when you download and open videos from the internet, they are stored as temporary files on your system. So they are, if they are not saved on your system, you can retrieve them from the temporary folder. In some cases it may be useful, but mostly it is not. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.